Mame Mao Akwaba Eba Ghana Sem TV GH so let's like, comment, subscribing, turn on notification also so that anytime you post a video with this area,
NDC government or the communication about the NPP or media and so I need you ma. It's not the second plan. They say the way you soldier for the police for it to intimidate us by arresting our people. Still, intimidate can want to. I know you say Ghana had na idea to say MPP for na TikTok no any media and so no. Yeah, boy Juma thing. Be bobi abaso. Be bobi abaso. Juma bi obi bobi. Yeah, ultimate so be a ye. Abai need to mean take. Yeah, the government not to form. Yeah, TT and the council. Krono boy, we are exposing them every day. You expose them to the world. Petitions are held where they are come United Nations. You know monitor. Asunjia ni Ghana or President Mahama by NDC by no. Omutieti asono. I ne wiase nyina gya tum say Ghana asumdwe kura ni kurum ha. Ana ohwe bebi an Ghana na yeda. Eba ya asumdwe yesika sem. Ene se de ye bobrete no a. Obedi NDC ba pa wani nyina ati aba form indications nyina kyesa aba no dia living power 2028. Obi apehom by force post and a resume and any social media no so ye NDC for nyina ye sie ne ye de omunya atofom se ye nti omonka NDC social media for nyina obiada because money record no money data and ye di data no e government no and nkuran keten kura no wachi wom nkuran keten nya 17-20 years no wachi wom no hura wom still ye gusu kasa and no na government ni ntimi ntake ano kene Japan na be defend their mom this time. Canada na say about defense the amajo mama because we ko panic chew na won ka sentia ni biu nti o tie kire di no hu the way the NDC for ni twitwi from Ghana krumu ha no a e so ba no be defend the NDC e ma ne nyon because oni Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia contest no o mtimi ko hu Kevin Taylor say on kebi ma wom a Kevin Taylor e campaign ma Canada Japan e Ghana krumu a enti ma obia ma obia enyo e ma ne nyo obia won say obetimi o kasa ma NDC say because it was how desperate, you could see how desperate he was to become the leader of this party by extending an arm to Kevin Taylor. Kevin Taylor, no who can Japan when you my form. Ama ye mu supporters ani ye di wachi kura ye di ya we mu a Kevin Taylor ye shen baby en fan ho chen because of who can Japan. Ye hu ye no disappointing, we betraying. No akoko hu Kevin Taylor so make campaign ma. It should tell you say we are too desperate for whatever the intent or one and unsanka. Because yes, and we are so yankopon na de se bibia nko wuwe dia o said o destroy no sasuban no we are young guy na wanyi na oba yi sasuban be free mu senye politician onye politician kra anya politics na person e kra in your day to day endeavors na o koba no and o circles no yi sadwini fi utrim se me pebibi na me nsanka and ensay no yi sa be no yi free mu you young guy na wunyi na oba yi free mu e wiase yi sa o tiny free mu. Don't grow with this bullshit. Say, anya media ingu. Stupidity. In this usuansa, oh, a young guy na utiemia. Me usuansa subaino. Kana form pesa subaino. And you think you're about Japan, you do to joint no. Yatreo. And yan tokwa. Yan fasikani tu. Ya the campaign one a chileo. Say you are nobody in the NPP today. Oh, busy for when they do it, you know, some tribal bigot here. Who I'm left and right, who knows nothing about politics, who knows nothing about tribal cohesion and whatever. They don't know anything about that. Primitive. I'm not so in Japan, so and on the base, yo. Be a political party like NPP, a section, an offshoot of what sort, say from the base. So I'm what's your muku. Nobody would near to ano. Not the Biana don't want in a media and say, Kennedy leader, what can one want to more party? Executives all party me like one want to meet in Casa. What be that? Sanka NDC. No be more no so a party for be outside NDC. No go to NDC nim. What nonsense. NDC nyam people numbers so some more assembly so. Can you point why? It is only we are CB one MPP ntimi survive one. Ye kofa Dr. Frimpong. Ye kofa Dr. Frimpong boatin e ba kolebu na cardio no. Bra ye yinadi no. Argument e ba and say he's the only person. Another argument e ba and say so if oniwa it na say cardio center ye nya cardiologist for Ghana na. Sana mo ka kire yin eti mpese mo chese kire Japan no oni wan MPP party no en survive wana munya san kwasa sem no kire Japan ye mu ade o ye ba bedidi watam en fa ye ho because yen tena se ma wo sika wo nya no wo fa me destroy NPP party no ye mu bi obi ama ye wan Ghana city o but de biara da ye defend kukuru no wo fa so wo nya party no mi manya bi ye di echi atetare poster ko fodu anya sem ketwa for 1992 ye pade no ye pe party no kukuru no ye kuma no ye mpe obi sika ye de ne se momna na moma adwuma papa ma Ghana no ye nim se NPP na ba itimi ye se adwuma no enti ne ye di party na chi wo jeni uti opanimu ti se wo utimi dran bedwam o ka asema nya no kure emperefo buo mani a kire se dabi unku apese anangoma mpese wiase nyina ka se o Kennedy de o ka no kure be na o kai afere hospital no uni records no ana o pe president edis na uni records mpo uni data na o pe leader ye MPP party uni data uni bebi afere cry certificate ni bebi edru ni MPP for a part of my play. You don't have this data. Yes, the person MPP flag bearer. Now, okay, MPP party is agro one. Who did data come on to?
Yo, me da say, me nua Bediako, excellent communication as usual. And then Pacho, me drop you now, me some file, say if you are still around. Me da say.
No problem. No problem.
Yo, Uncle Marcus, you are next. 5 minutes. I hope you are.
Boys, thank you. Greetings to all of you. I think the 5 minutes, well, I will try my best, but honestly, sometimes you see, like one of our brothers said, we should ignore him. We can't ignore this cacophony. We can't. No serious party will entertain this element. That's why even when you come to Britain, they have party whips. They whip people in line so that the party doesn't seem disintegrated outside. It's only in the NPP that you condone such. I don't want to be using words on him, but Kennedy, I think he's too infantile. You know why? Sabi. You can only become a Ghanaian and push the Ghana first agenda when you contest in a political party and you lose. That's when you think that it is time for you to be thinking Ghana. Somebody can ask that, are you not stupid to be thinking like that? This is not an insult. So many years you have belonged to. So many years you have belonged to a particular party. You had the guts to even insult the sitting president as a drunkard. That one, you never thought that you were a Ghanaian. It's only when you have contested and you lose the election that you now begin to think like a Ghanaian. Reasonable people can easily detect that you are bitter. You are a sore loser. You are not matured in politics. When you contest and you lose, bitterness now forces you to go. Look, all political parties have their rules, and you think you cannot abide by the rules. Reasonable, disciplined people will opt out so that you can have your own ways of doing things. Into the base, they want to protect this man. Into the base, if you know, can you go against the same leader because you don't agree with him? Now, Ghanaian, what is the level of maturity in your thinking? I say, oh no, believe in these two parties. The movement, the president. I may even understand him. Alan, you belong to a party, and when you contest, it's not, you don't even leave. It is only when you contest and you lose, then you decide that, okay, I can now move out because I am now thinking of Ghana. Don't make NPP flag bearer and Kabaka Saddam. Is that how he was going to defend NPP? Sure. This Afari, has it been there for the last 8 years NPP came to power? Was Afari there before NPP came to power? or Afari only saw the light of the day when NPP came to power. No, Papa, no voice. And some statement to be there. Justin Kodia will issue. I don't know whether it is authentic or not. I've seen something, but I don't know if it is true. And that is why where I have my problems with them. I say,
what effect? What is
they are asking him to come out and apologize and retract. I don't know if it is authentic.
I doubt.
Oh, okay. So the guy Kennedy has weighed the party and has realized that the structure of the party is so down that he can spit on them, do whatever he wants to do, and then be moving around with chest high, shoulder high, pomposity, parading himself as Mr. All-knowing, Mr. Know-all. On na yebreno. Sure. December 14th February 2025, Omani Buama appealed to Abia can read something. Omani Buama, the Minister of Defense, Dr. Omani Buama, together with the entourage, marked on an inspection tour of the Afari Military Hospital. And then he urged the party to expedite action on it. And this is 14 February 2025. Dr. Omani Buama, an NDC defense minister, was urging his own party to quickly do something about it. Otumfuo on several occasions have called on all government to expedite actions on that. And you are telling us that when NPP came to power, Afari wasn't all signed in 2008. The money came in 2004. Since 2004 till 2017, that NPP came to power. What was the percentage of completion?
48%. 48%.
And so 48% is the same as 98%, according to the most wisest person in our party. Such damp character. We are parading him as
Are you not being too harsh?
Well, do you think this man is playing with this party? Do you think this man is playing with this party? How can you equate 48 to 98 and tell us that we didn't do anything? And this is the man who wants to be president. Is that 48 the same as 98?
No.
Is it the same? Class 1 in you?
No.
If you have a child and your child is in class 1 and comes to tell you that 48 is equal to 98, will you spare that boy? Are you not throwing away money? And we want a party like NPP want to use resources, human beings, to champion this thing as the one who wants to lead this party. Such damn character. Masa.
Yo, Uncle Marcus.
My emphasis have na maybe some rokono or you bufu.
I'll come back to you again, Uncle Marcus. Is Mayor, if you're back, alert me. Gab, if you're back, alert me, right? Correct. No, Honorable Ben. I think it's the 10 of Honorable Ben. Honorable Ben, what how?
Yeah.
Okay, Gab is
my back.
Yo, okay, Gab, 5 minutes.
Gabi, ya frame ya wienti ma menkasa.
Mate.
Okay.
Mate, my
Voice,
Okay,
thank you very much. I see my biggest communicators here, my brother Voice, JE, Gap Media, Mayor, I greet you. I'm wishing you well. Marcus, it's been a while. Bediako, what's if Mechia pass or Gusutie ya? Share. Canada, Japan should give us a break. Enough of his emptiness and his all that he's been doing against the party. Anytime he sees that the NPP is making a good cause and making a fantastic movement, that is when he will come to disorganize everything. Look, enough of his of him. No element in NPP is bigger than the party, you should know. Look, at a point, NDC urged the founder but the party never collapsed. If Kennedy thinks he's bigger than NPP, he should find his way out.
With all his
Enough
money,
of it.
I beg you. Can
Where
you
did he?
you have money and pick up so
Massa. So who was Sika? Na Sika no entumi entoponko. Sika no ento osono. Sika no ento osono. He made the money from the same NPP he's destroying today. Enough of him.
how can you say that when he alone was able to give MPP, I think $3 million in 1992?
That is false. He can say this only to his followers and not the entire NPP.
How can Marcus mute
3
yourself?
million
Don't unmute
dollars.
yourself.
But boy,
I
move beyond.
how can
When your
Marcus
party
mute
leader
yourself?
yakoma so no, we will not sit down for somebody who has made it all, who today wants to destroy the party. Near you, yeah, now look at Marcus is always online. Mayor is defending every time. Voice, you are defending upon all you do. We got media. Everyone here. We no need more. She man no matiesim no. And we build it. Then somebody somewhere who has made it all from this same party will always come and destroy everything. Then we sit down to watch him. What the hell is him? Look, Canada, Japan, we are very much serious. And so one say some of us they make cultural no, you will never like it. What do you want from NPP? Does it mean say what contest here now will lose, then the whole party no should collapse? And say we now we need this contester and we be can same way ya. Then can be all there. Oda sunya so. Penny
But
ben
he
na
told
we.
you so he's just doing what he promised. So why are you complaining?
And no so bet it yeah. Yes, we will not give him a rest. Share of ayi nsem hu awodi nti monhwe ne ye bia waye. Look at him today. Nanado is over 80 years. Compare Nanado to ono awanya 60 something years today. Compare the two.
Different human beings, different phenotype and genotypes, please.
Well, because of adrenaline, if you don't think right, that is how you always be. Look, we want to build NPP. May say, if you are thinking about Ghana first, what has he said about the doomsday collapsing businesses? What has he said about the reduction of cocoa prices? And the farmers no ensu yentu omoka. What has he said about the Galamsey destroying Ghana and the future of Ghana? Has he said anything with this Ghana first? I'm asking you. Tell me. Somebody should come and answer this. That Canada Japan has come out to castigate.
The fact is that when we were asking for a statement from him, his spokesperson told us he's concentrating for now on his business, making money. That is what he's concentrating on. That is what we were told.
Look, Mayor, your friend say voice. Sometimes some people make politics too difficult. There are people who open the doors for you to speak ill against them. Because me say me raho papa. I'm bitter now. I'm very bitter.
Don't
A normal air koso. Na voice a normal air koso. Mahama destroy o mine. A normal koye sheniama kuyafusu. Light ye say nkofo. Ejuma. Ghana bibia nkoso. Na yenya attention seeker te said Meanwhile, you were the defense and interior chair. You've come to show your ignorance. That
Yo, me that say, I'll
what
come
did
back
the
to you.
party do?
I'll come back to you.
Monsieur,
I'll
what's in
come
a
back to you.
parliament 24 years? No, what did you do? So contest election now, Lucia. I feel they're now again new senses, eh? First, no, dream, shiny trim. I feel no again.
Ah, but about your honorable. Me that
Hush.
say, I'll come back to you at some point. Yes, Gab, you have 5 minutes now.
The voice. That's
Yeah.
say assembly the honorable Ben wakani nyina. Na me die ga crown be count say voice.
Yes.
Say enye bitterness, enye otan. Ina enye se sade na nko mafa dia. Me say ne dia. Question enu enumre mi busa ne say again ne be manipa dasani. Enam obi so ama ya te wonka na enam amanyukuo bi so ama ya te wonka mo relevant no. Obese pulling the pakro down. Hey, the voice. I
Yes.
think it's about time you think the sukoko eche papa we. Ni mani who say enough is enough. Yeah, yes, it's one kasa tri on ye we bone. I think
Oh, Domo.
this man has gone beyond, and I say he has gone beyond limits. Thinking say there is no one in the New Patriotic Party to respond to him. Yeah, people should give us a break. When they say, this man has been financing the party from 1992, the voice. I'm here. I want each and every one who has got the proof to come and prove me wrong. Say 1996, the New Patriotic Party funded their own campaign. Yeah? We saw the vehicle President Kufuor was using as his campaign vehicle. Where were those core rich men? Where were they? Where were they?
Gab, whoa.
Why so Temenga?
Yeah, loud and clear.
Okay. In American voice, this man, he was the chairman of the defense committee and the interior. People thought, say, we were trying to tarnish his image. And then, from the horse's own mouth, now voice, for me,
Gab,
meaning says will be a chairman, nothing stops him.
Gab, network, you say, dum so, dum.
Sir, oh, Otemeka,
Yeah, now we can hear you.
Otemeka,
Yeah,
and I still let you Chelsea.
yeah. Okay,
Oh,
okay,
we hear you. We hear you speak.
Okay. And I make her say, if someone is a chairman of an institution, voice, nothing can stop he or she from entering into a premises that is under him. Kennedy Japan is telling us today, say, during NPP time, Kennedy Japan wanted to go and inspect a ferry, and he was not granted the permission. The Kennedy Japan we know would have come out and voiced out, say, Ghana free, me kwa inspect this facility we say yes see me kwa say ma me nko. So I'm for Ghana first. I'm bashing my political party. The Kennedy Japan we know. The Kennedy Japan we know would have come out and say, hey, me kwa ya dia so masino, yes see ma me nko. Inti ebusa ne say, eye den nene, afe nene de oba abonti aba be ka che say, oye na adwin so koye inspection ya mananko.